Hi everyone, this is Mark with Modernmeal. Here's a quick video to show you how all the recipes from the latest PC magazine can be added to your Modernmeal account. First, you need to make sure that you're following or connected to the USPCA profile. To make sure you're connected to them, click on Discover, then click on Community. The USPCA should be the very first profile that you see. You can either follow them or request to be connected to them. Once you've done that, then head over to your dashboard, and you might have to refresh your browser, but the first thing you'll see is their latest post. If you want to add these recipes to your account, just click on the menu, which will open a preview, and then just click Add to My Menus. We'll automatically add this menu to your menus, and all the recipes will automatically be added to your recipes. So that's it. It's pretty easy. And as always, we hope you enjoy.